Hi guys!
This is my Mima!
This is Arella.
I have a lot more.
For today's video, I have a question for Arella. So, we can check how smart she is. Ang ganda ng crown, oh.
Yeah.
Nagharap ako ng question. Wait lang.
Give me this. 6, 7, 6, 7.
If you could have any animal as a pet, what animal would you choose to be pet?
I already said it.
What? Snake? Ano ka ba?
My classmate already has a snake.
Eh, siya huwag kang gumaya dun. Tsaka, hindi naman po pinipet ang snake. Baka gayahin ka ng mga nakikinig sa'yo.
Hindi.
Baka akala nila pet talaga snake. No. We don't make... there are some that does it. Pero, it's dangerous. Yeah.
Oh.
I think you must be, no, not just an adult. You're trained to handle those,
and if my classmate has it,
those kind of animals.
If my classmate has it, what if his daddy is
meron siya kasing classmate na may mga
pets,
alagang, ano ba tawag doon? Mga wild animals.
May caterpillar siya, dung beetle, a big dog, and a fish.
Eh, yung dog, okay lang yun.
A fish.
I will not allow you to
fish,
have that pets.
And a bird.
Sige, give me na lang
one
animal, not the snake. Of course, I will not allow it. Ano pa yung mas gusto mo?
I mostly have two
I need the first one.
Bunny.
You want a rabbit. Why? What do you know about rabbits?
They have fluffy teeth.
Yeah, their fur are fluffy. So aside from
and
that,
of course, look, I have rabbit teeth.
what else? What do you want to know more about rabbits?
Like, I want to see like the cuteness. Like, how do they do that?
How do they hop? Okay. Okay, well, actually, okay. Meron nakikita ako mga nag-aalaga ng rabbits.
And you know what's the last?
Yes.
Yes.
Cat? Bird?
The things we don't have yet.
Monkey?
No!
Oh, may nagpepet ng monkey.
No.
Ano ba?
It's too ugly. Sorry.
Goat? Dog?
Dude, I don't even... You already said that.
Dog?
No.
Oh, si Red. Ano?
Saret.
Ako.
A chicken!
You want to have chickens. Ano gusto mo, yung maglelay sila ng maraming eggs?
A hen!
That's a hen.
I don't want chicks in my house pooping everywhere.
Eh, sabi mo, gusto mo yun.
Yeah, I don't want baby chicks. I had that before they died easily.
Oo nga, yung mga sisiyo. Eh, ano nga?
A hen.
A hen. Okay.
Yeah, like...
Tapos kokolektahin mo yung mga eggs nila everyday.
Hen!
Diba, they produce eggs?
Yeah. And I was saying...
So, we can have,
Mali ako, rooster pala.
Rooster. You want the male chicken.
Yeah, I don't want to see you going around my house. No. I have a bunny.
Siyempre, pag may ganun ka, may farm ka.
Yeah.
Hindi naman magro-roam around sa...
Yeah, what if I bring them home? Like...
I don't bring them home.
They have to be in the proper place.
Yes. You should have farm.
They can go out wherever they want. At least wala naman ako doon. At least they have food.
Yes, and dapat para healthy sila.
Yeah.
Diba?
And here, di naman sila
So you want rooster?
Yes.
What about rooster? Ano gusto mo doon?
They're colorful. Diba? Look at the of their head. They're and if I sit there and wake up, they'll just... I have no cell phone. That's my alarm.
Magiging alarm mo sila, no? Okay, nice naman yun.
Okay, I'm awake. Okay. You know what I will name my pony? Melissa.
Okay.
And then, you know, the rooster.
Madali, ano rin yan, marami silang mag-anak yung mga bunnies.
Yeah, but I'm gonna choose the bull.
Okay naman yan.
Well,
nice pets naman, basta wag lang snake.
You know what's the name of the rooster?
Si Tik-Tik. Si Tik-Tik tila o... Tik-Tik kasi. Okay na yan, may dalawa siyang pets na gusto.
But,
how about you guys? Kayo mga kids, anong gusto nyong pets sa bahay?
Ikaw, Mima.
Comment nyo dyan kung anong gusto nyong pets.
How about you? But,
ako, gusto ko, sa totoo lang.
But not the things we have na. Not the fish.
I want to experience to have a monkey pet. Pero sana yung mabait na monkey. Meron kasing mga pilyo na monkey.
Yung may nag-aagaw ng cellphone.
I want to have a monkey.
Yung mga monkey, diba, binabaksak yung mga gamit. Yung parang kukunin yung cellphone mo, tapos babaksak lang.
Nangaagaw siya. Okay.
You
yun ang mga pets na gusto namin.
You might sleep beside the monkey. What if your number 1 is the monkey, then you put the monkey on the middle, then
ayoko, doon lang siya. Kailangan syempre, yung bahay ko may puno. Para nandun siya sa kanyang natural habitat.
What if your puno is small?
Syempre, bago ako magka-monkey, I'll make sure na meron na ako malaking tree sa bahay.
Big? This big?
Basta big.
Oh,
okay. Thank you for watching our videos. Kayo guys, kayo kids, ano bang pet ang gusto nyo? Comment down below. Bye. God bless.